Yeah, here is the situation at Uluwatu, 19 February 2026. So many Chinese tourists because we have celebrate Chinese New Year.
Oke, kita ambil sarong, ambil selendang. Kalau sudah ya, maju lagi ini. Sini satu di kaki. Oke deh, Bu.
Ya, bagus.
我将装的水。
Ada luksa.
Hmm.
This
Yeah, just 2% only. Later you pay ticket and get the barcode. We need to scan the barcode. Yeah, follow. Maybe that side. That side also can. That side. Ana.
Drop awal drop.
Ana.
Yang
Pak.
tamunya Bapak mana?
Niki kali.
Bentar ya Pak.
Ya. Ya,
Sama aja tamunya Pak.
Let's go. Okay, this one.
我们直接走去那边，
Ana,
换票换好了。
better this way first. Better this way first. Same one. Jian. Because too crowded, better this way first.
Ya. Oke, sudah.
Because in that way, same. So in this temple, we already only walk one round only. It's free. Right side or left side, up to you. Same. But because to be seen there, better here. More relaxed. Don't worry, I know every part of this temple.
You've been here too many times, huh?
Not many times, but thousands times. Thousands times. It's not so well. Not so well.
Iya.
Headache, flu ya.
Ya belum.
Take rest lah. Later take rest.
Because
It's much. Drink much. Drink lots ya.
raining,
Hmm.
hot,
Yeah.
cold, like that.
The weather is temporary, unpredictable, right? Sometime raining, sometime hot. Especially now, like kids, kids is very easy to get fever. Excuse me, Anna.
Yeah.
No drone.
Yeah.
The sign. Yeah, that's why every single of temple not allowed. Yeah, we turn this way first. So Anna and Jian, we are in the south side of Bali Island. No more island, so we are on top. So you will see Indian Ocean later from here. Yeah, we turn right first. I will show you the statue of Dhyang Nirartha statue, 40 meters in there. That is the priest who built this temple on 11th century. It's been long time ago. He built many temples, yeah. Long time ago, many people like do meditation, priest, teach people Hindu religion last time.
Are you recording that? Antoro?
Yes, sorry. A lot of monkeys. This is the deer, yeah?
Wild as well?
No, we look after them. In here, only monkeys. We have a lot of wild and free deers in west side of Bali.
Here, you take care.
Yeah, and they take care. Yeah. If you want to take picture of the statue, no problem.
Cute.
Yeah, so good. You don't need to worry if and Jian, what is that in your hair? That's also monkey will take it.
Can I put it here?
Yeah. Okay. Take picture, Anna. Inside also can. We can come inside.
Yeah, always
Uh, we can come inside and explore. Lots of monkeys poo, yeah. So be careful. Beware of your phone. Always do like this because the monkey sometimes hide behind you and then suddenly
Grab it.
grab it. So be careful.
Antoro.
Ah, okay. Sorry. Anytime if the monkey jump on you, you don't need to scare. Just relax.
Ito yung parrot.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2. Oh wait. 1,
Can I move?
1, 2. Oh yes, can. Okay. Very good. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, like this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good. Anna.
So with them.
Yes. Not too close, but okay.
Yeah.
Nearby
may,
only.
May relative.
Okay. Don't look at the eyes.
Okay.
You can stand up, sit down here, relax, but don't look at the eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. No.
You move back.
Move back.
If paglalapit ka sa kanila,
Maybe here.
talikod
Slowly.
ka.
Slowly sit down. Slowly sit down. Slowly. Okay. Again. Okay. Good. 1, 2, and okay. Good. Got it. Even if it is far, but still. Okay. Okay. Now I want to show you the view of the top south side of Bali Island. How is it looks like? Yeah. We have beautiful Indian Ocean. I show you. Oh, I didn't tell Anna yet, yeah. I got another customer from Philippines because they watch my YouTube channel. They know me bring Filipinos. So they live in Australia, but originally from Philippines. Yeah. Fins couple. I think boyfriend and girlfriend maybe, yeah. Not long ago, my customer from Myanmar, but live in Singapore, working in Singapore. In one hotel, you know Sentosa Hotel in Singapore, very famous.
Yeah.
All the reception, staff, housekeeping, their employer knows me. Already 3 couples. So every employer, if they of the Sentosa Hotel, if come to Bali, always looking for me. Yeah, as you know, driver sometimes always stay in the car parking. They don't want to accompany you inside like this. Yeah, that's why like just simple example. Today when you do the ATV ride, sometimes not friendly. So that's why it will be not good for your holiday when. Yeah, so this is Indian Ocean, top of the south side of Bali Island. Yeah. Okay, the monkeys.
No, but they alam mo yung langaw makulay.
Hopefully, if later not cloudy, you can see the beautiful sunset actually. But not sure if cloud.
Show him.
See, I like it.
Hi!
You like it? See? Yeah. I like it.
So many monkeys aggressively. Be careful with your phone, yeah.
Everything.
After take picture, just put in the pocket again, yeah. It's happened to many tourists already.
We just watched three
Huh?
people. Bang.
Yeah.
Glasses,
Glasses,
phone.
hat, yeah.
Everything.
Why they don't like the thing?
I think it's been long time ago. Automatically, normally when they monkeys grab something from you, someone will take from them by trading the food.
Yeah.
So the man will give food and then they will drop the.
They
things.
learn.
Yeah.
They like
Yeah.
food. They don't want
Yeah.
your phone. They can't
Yes.
make phone calls,
Yeah.
but they like food, and they now
Correct.
know that
Yeah.
if they take anything,
Yeah.
even earrings,
Yeah.
Oh, that's why they wanted to get
Yeah.
everything.
Yes,
Oh, they
it's just because
Yeah.
then they get food. Exactly.
We cannot take your things back by hand only because they will bite you. So the best way is giving them by food. Yeah. So by the way, the temple is on the cliff there, on the top. Yeah. But in this temple, actually not only in this temple, yeah, but in whole temple in Bali for tourists only allowed to take picture or video from outside.
Okay.
We not allowed to come inside the temple because temple is holy, yeah, holy place in Bali. Only for worshipping. So Hindu people when they go for worshipping, they will come inside, and then the priest will lead the ceremony. For tourists, for us, for you and me, same. Only can take picture, video from outside. Whole temple in Bali. That's why and whole temple also not allowed capture by drone. Not allowed because everything not allowed higher than the temple. Even building like that. That's why in Bali, whole Bali not allowed higher than the temple. The building all short. Even 5-star hotel or everything. Maybe you are rich people, you cannot. Not allowed. That's why like shopping mall, hotel, big hotel, they have car parking in the ground, in the ground, yeah, in the basement. Oh, look, wait, your phone. Wait. I will bring the stick.
It's a boy.
I will bring the stick. Just to make the monkey scare only. Yeah, okay.
Why you can't look?
We
in
walk
the
this way
eye?
first for the best spot to take picture and video, and then we will walk there up to the top. Sorry, Jian?
Why you can't look them in the eye?
Because animal, especially monkeys and then dogs, yeah, on the street, if you see their eyes, it means you look like they think you are enemy. You know, you are enemy and you want to disrupt them. That's why don't look at the eyes. If you look at the eyes, they always looks like will bite you like that. That's good. This is Anna, the woman selling the souvenirs. Baik anu Bu, nah, dapat garis Bu. Ya, ya pulang kampung 1,5 bulan Bu. Ya. Yeah, from tourists I think something. Actually, we're not allowed to feed them with the animals foods, yeah, because they will become habit for them. See everywhere.
Ya, Pak pinter, Pak. Pak kayu.
Spot to take picture later. Queue if you want. Yeah, from here, after them. Toilet there. That is the toilet. And maybe you want to have a look first here, Anna and Jian. Come. Anna and Jian, This is the south side of Bali Island. So many times happen earthquake. Earthquake. That's why if we stand up here, we sit down there. Now they make the sea wall. Yeah. This is nothing, only toilet. Yeah. See from there, from here. Yeah. We built a sea wall from here until down there. Before nothing. And over there is still Uluwatu, part of Uluwatu. Some surfers there, but not in this side. That another side. You see, some people there surfer. Yeah. Beautiful sunset here actually, if not cloudy today. If allowed to play drone, oh beautiful this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You will see very clear about the seawall after we walk back there. More clear. Indian Ocean, clear and yeah.
Can you take a photo?
Okay. Yeah.
Ay,
After then, yeah, after then. You need any toilet? Maybe. Sian, Ana,
Yeah, it's okay.
over here toilet.
Dami ng ano, oh. Pagkain. Kamote.
Yeah. Some of the money from your ticket we use for their food.
Okay.
So the cassava is from them, from this ticket, yeah. So here ticket will be divided 3 parts, for monkeys, and then to look after the temple when ceremony, and then for government. Okay, ready? One, two, and three. Wait. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. Okay, Anna?
Thank you.
Yep. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. Okay. Be careful. Make sure put your finger here. Another spot, Anna and Jian. Very nice. I show you. This side. I forgot to wear the belt. Not the belt. Okay, in the corner later, after this year. This is... okay.
Ay, di. Ang nilawin mo.
Okay, Emma, let me help. Okay. One by one of 2 of you? One by one. Okay. Yeah, excuse me. 1, 2, and 3, wait. 1, 2, and 3. Different pose. Be careful. Oh, wait. Be careful with the phone, yeah? Wait. 1, 2, and 3. Wait.
Okay, again, last one.
1, 2, and wait, with the monkey. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Yeah.
Lagi ako nilalapitan ng monkey. Sabi niya, Tita ko ata to. Nanay ko ata to.
Yeah, okay. Come, anak.
Yeah.
Because someone will take your place. Yeah, okay. Anak, in the corner. It's okay. One, two, and three. Oh, beautiful. One, two, and three. One, two, and three. Beautiful.
Wing monkey.
Yeah. Lucky. Okay. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay. Oh, good. Very good. Very nice. Careful. Put your finger. Ah. Okay, got it.
Boy. Akin hindi na to eh.
Look at this.
What happened? Oh.
Look at this. iPhone Pro Max looks.
Yeah.
My God. Okay. Discount 90% iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh, look. Oh, different. Oh, the case is still nice. Take it.
No.
That's why be careful with the phone, yeah. That's why this happened. Oh, I thought literally battery gone. I need the battery for my another phone. This is iPhone or no. I will try in the screen. Still.
No. iPhone have
Oh yeah,
thing.
correct. Different. Not like this.
Yeah.
More complicated. I think here Android, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Android.
Okay, I take it. Better I come here every day. I can get phone.
You can build a new
Yeah, open phone shop. 90% is off. But no battery, no screen.
Там, похоже, это...
И посмотрим,
Люди
какой.
He's so calm.
Anna, maybe if you like for your health, maybe you can do massage.
It tickles.
Huh?
It tickles.
It tickles? What's it? Oh,
Action mo.
yeah, but no, the massager is a woman, not man, yeah.
Why? How much is the massage?
Oh, we have start from 100, 200, 300, depends of your budget and depends of the place. Beautiful or just standard, normal or... Okay. Big one. Ah, careful. Yeah. Hold your front. Oh, look, this is because of the earthquake. The wall broken. And you know there, Anna, under the temple, is we fixed that because before it's cracked because of the earthquake. Just under the temple. You see? Can see like a lot,
Yeah.
not natural like.
Yeah.
That is cement and iron, yeah. Nah, they will scare if we use it. I put it up. Okay. Yeah.
Malas mo namang kumain.
Oh, look at this. I found lots of things here. I need to come here every day, I see. See, Anna?
Yeah. You can get plenty of things.
Yeah, I will put here. I think if I want, if I come, oh look at the head.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think if I come to down here, I can find a phone as well. Or maybe down there, yeah, I don't know. Anna, where is your water? Here?
No.
Where? In the car?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, iba yun dyan.
Tissue. Even tissue, they want to take it. Ah. Oh, like the head. You see? That's why I asked you before to not come. Yeah.
Yep, roboting. Okay. Okay. Aku.
We go to the main temple. Yeah. Okay. Here also forest. Up there also can. You want rest here or up there? Maybe here, better. You can see in the beautiful scenery. Anna. Oh, very dirty. Monkey's poo. Monkey's poo and pee. You can see in the wall, Anna and Jian. The sea wall. So Anna and Jian, that is the Kecha and Fire dance show stage. Now dancing show already start, yeah, for first session. Anna, and I show you the good spot to take picture. I show you the good spot to take picture. I show you. Yeah, one by one of you or two of you, up to you. You can go down there a little bit, and then I get spot. I take picture from here, from the top. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay, Anna. Go. Oh, wait. It's wrong. This is video. Okay, Anna. 1, 2, 3. Different pose. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. That's great. One, two, and three. Beautiful. Look at here. 1, 2, and 3. Your hand like this. So your hand to the ocean. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, beautiful.
Then mine also.
Oh. Forgot. Oh, gosh. Okay. Please be careful. Okay. Oh, how to open the camera?
You can
Just swipe.
click here twice.
Oh, okay. Yeah. To capture also this one.
You can, but you can the white.
Type. Okay. Okay. Up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Another pose. Okay. Another pose. Okay. Maybe like this or something. No need. Okay. I took many, so you choose by yourself. Yeah. So Anna and Jian. Yeah, it's okay. Take picture. Oh, look at that. Long queue of Kecha and fire dancer. Yeah.
Anna is not feeling well.
Yeah. Anna, long queue to watch Kecha and fire dance. That's why if my customer want to watch Kecha and fire dance, sometimes I bring them to the Melasti Beach. It's not too long queue like this. We don't need to wasting time like this. Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
time lapse.
Oh, time lapse. Okay. So I record you, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Anna and Han this way. Yeah. Yeah, that way is to the temple and then to the car park.
How about
Exit.
this line?
We also exit.
Oh, okay.
Same path. Our car is in another side. No, that is to scare the monkeys.
That sound.
Yeah, sound and also stick. Yeah. Yeah. Anna and Jian, please come here for a while. After that, we can leave. Yeah. I record. Sorry. I will record them. Yeah, you can record, no problem. Yeah. This Uluwatu Temple. Today. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, the phone. Careful. Okay. Okay. So, Jian and Anna, it's called Pura Luhur Uluwatu. Yeah. Pura means temple. Yeah. And then Luhur means holy. Ulu means cliff. Watu Uluwatu is cliff on the seaside. It means Uluwatu. So the holy temple on the cliff. It's mean. But in Balinese we call it Pura Luhur Uluwatu. Yeah. Okay, foto? Yeah. You too, Jian?
Ini photo.
Okay. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Ah, Ana. How to say 1, 2, 3 in Philippine?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Isa,
Dalawa.
dalawa,
Tatlo.
teplo,
Tatlo.
tatlo,
Tatlo.
tatlo.
Ah,
Isa,
dalawa.
dalawa, tatlo. Very difficult. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Yes. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Wait. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. You want more? Jian? Yeah, okay. I always worry about the monkey, so that's why I always remember. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. You can prepare different pose. Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. I very strong. Oh. What? The zoom. It's zooming by itself. Because from 1, 2, and 3. Maybe like this or something. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. Okay. You want more? Okay. Yeah. Always be careful with yeah. Put your hand. Oh, look. Grab something, right? Anna. This one. You need to. Yeah. Even they cannot take in your bag. Later they break it. Oh my! I left my stick. It's okay. So this way, in the stair is to the temple just now. We went there. Yeah. Oh, careful, Anna. Okay. You know how to get back, right? Now? Yeah. Hang on. It's glasses.
Time lapse.
Okay.
So, we're near na.
Right. I'm behind you or in front of you? Behind.
Okay, behind them.
Okay.
Oh, that's some bowl.
There's a football.
Maar praat niet dan. Ja, kijk, dit is tampen. Nee, dat was het. Kijk, die
Where? Sorry, yes. That is the statue of telling story of the dancing show just now.
The monkey.
Yes. Yeah. Wait. Okay.
Ikaw. Kaya pinapawisan tayo.
Okay.
Mas okay ka kayo ng bata. Inom ulit. Every part. Ay, 6 hours.
I think better off, yeah. Alright. Okay. Yes.
Do you have snake here in Bali?
In snake normally in rice paddy, more rice paddy, rice paddy plantation. Yeah. In here not many. More monkeys ya. Kayak.
But much better because
Best
of the
better.
ink.
Oh, okay.
And then I got sweat.
Yeah. Exercise. Need help? Yeah.
You can?
Can.
I'm heavy.
Come on. We same. Our body same. Jian. That side. Yeah, exit. Yeah. Straight. Take the sarung at the gates there. In front of the gates. Sorry? Oh yeah. Oh, take photo?
Yeah.
Oh, still on just now. Oh wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay,
Yeah,
then.
okay. One, two, three. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice. Take up the sarong and put it here. Yeah. Okay, this one. Toilet is there, yeah?
Go.
Toilet, yeah. No problem. Jian, this is our car, just here. You want toilet? No? Oh yeah. Your phone, please hold. Kok monkey. I will on the car with the